Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the voucher code in Xenea Wallet. If you apply this voucher code you will get 2000 gems very easily. So first of all click on missions, little bit scroll down, here you see event option and 2000 gems reward. Click on it. Now click enter code. Here you apply code and click next. You will get 2000 gems. So I will provide you the code GO XENEA. Go Xenea is the code. Now click on next button. Here you see I earn 2000 gems as a correct code. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.